Hey everyone, Ricky and Cody K. Cain here with the Cain Realty Group at Keller Williams.
Yes.
And we're here to deliver a message that I feel very confident, and so do you, and so do most industry experts, feel confident that the next 3 to 6 months are going to be the best time to buy a home that we'll see within the market here in the greater Austin area in the next 5 to 10 years. And we feel pretty confident in that. It's interesting, as we've gone through the last 17 years of being in real estate, we give this kind of advice, and it's so fun because we get so many calls from people that say, dang it, Ricky, dang it, Cody K, we should have listened to you. And we're giving you this message, and if you're not gonna buy a home, but you wanna buy a home, you're probably gonna be one of those people that reach out to us after this time has passed, and you're gonna say, I wish I would have listened to you.
There's just, guys, there are a lot of options that are available out in the marketplace today for buyers. So many options that when we do start seeing the market shift, they won't be options anymore. And really the number one mistake that I truly see most buyers make is that they don't actually sit down and have a strategy meeting and learn about the options that are available, one, out in the marketplace, but two, for them specifically with their financial situation. So we're making a decision not to buy without actually knowing what it looks like for them specifically in the marketplace. It never hurts to sit down, take 10, 15 minutes, come in, meet with one of our incredible agents, and just learn about what you might be able to do in the marketplace. And then you've got all the information you need to make the best decision for you, whether that is buying now or not, but at least it's an educated decision.
Yes, because it's a known fact, rates are a little bit higher, and because of that, prices have come down.
However, when rates come down,
the prices are going to go up. You can't repurchase a home for a lower price,
but
and you can refinance.
Yeah.
And the thing is, Cody K, sellers are buying down rates. We're having some clients get rates in the 4s, some in the 5s. Because sellers are buying down rates, and so not only are they getting a great deal on the property, but they're doing these rate buy downs, and all of that goes away within 6 to 12 months is what we're thinking, because then prices go up because rates come down. So don't miss the boat.
Yes.
Call us. Let's
just actually learn about it, what it means for you, and then if it doesn't make sense, that's completely okay, but at least you're making a really educated decision about your future. So please reach out to us. We'd love to be able to connect you with one of our incredible agents and learn more about the market.
Yes, thanks for watching.